welcome to another ATN tutorial. In this video I'm going to go over the compass calibration, the interface home screen, main operation, operation modes, and the shortcut carousel. So for the compass calibration, there are three abbreviations that could come up. That will be cal, error, and SMF. So when the word cal appears instead of the digital compass, you need to calibrate the compass on the scope. So to do that, you would rotate the scope in 3 axes. So you would go one time like this, once like this, and then rotate it like that. So that should get the compass going. You'll see it on the top middle of the screen. The other abbreviations would be error. That's something like a critical error on the compass, but I think the chip would probably break, and that's when you would get that error. Another thing that can come up is the SMF, which stands for strong magnetic field. That basically, like if you're around heavy power lines and anything basically that has a magnetic field, that will mess up your compass a little bit. Please keep in mind that the compass works best when you have the scope parallel to the ground. And that's pretty much it on the compass calibration. Don't go anywhere. In the next segment, I'll show you the other features of the scope. Thank you. So the first screen you'll see after turning on the device is the home screen. It consists of scales, status bar icons, and different information widgets. So now the main operations of the scope while in the home screen. The first is zoom level. Use the scroll wheel on the left side of the scope to zoom in and out. The zoom level is displayed on the zoom widget on the home screen. Please note that when the device is activated for the first time, you need to configure the lens option in the pop-up window before zooming. Please refer to system settings and device type. So taking photos, press the left button to take a photo. One press of the button will result in one photo taken. Video recording. By pressing the right button, you will be able to record video. If you use normal mode or start RAV, if recoil activated video mode is on, the video recording modes can be switched in the system setting options. Please note, recording will automatically stop when the memory card is full or the battery is out of power. Shortcut carousel. Pressing down on the OK button opens and closes the shortcut menu. Shortcut carousel. The carousel is your access to a number of shortcuts that will allow you to quickly access your scope's features. Click on the OK button from the home screen to access the carousel. Use the left and right buttons to move between the functions. To turn on a particular function or off, you should click on the OK button while that function is selected. The Excite 4K Pro has 2 modes of operation, basic and advanced. Basic mode, as right now, has the following features: system settings, night mode, advanced shortcuts, zero reticle. The second mode is advanced mode. You would turn it on here, just press the OK button, and from there you get the following modes: distance entry, environment, gallery, Wi-Fi, recoil activated video, ballistic calculator, zero reticle, system settings, close shortcut, night mode, rangefinder, and that's it. So stay tuned for our next video, and I will go over the features in the carousel and in the system settings. Thank you.